Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making some chicken fajita wrap, and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make this. It's super easy guys and you're going to love it. So as you can see here guys, I've got all my ingredients that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to be talking you through step by step on what I'm doing and what we're going to be using. So with all the ingredients that I've got, either that I've got some salt, I've got some grated garlic, I've got some oil, I've got some black pepper, I've got some grated onion, and I've got some lemon, I've got some grated cheese, and I've already diced my chicken. So you should make your chicken as fine as possible. You can also use a chicken breast, but in my case I'm using a chicken thighs, and the reason being is they're more tender and soft and really nice, and they flavor goes in really well into that chicken breast, and that's the reason why I usually use this. And as you can see, I've already finely diced it and washed it, and obviously we're using my favorite seasoning. And on the plate, what I've got there is I've got some green pepper, red pepper, onion, I've got some chili, and I've got chili flakes as well. And the scotch bonnet is optional. So with my sauce, I've just mixed together some yogurt, natural yogurt. I've got some ketchup and I've got some mayonnaise mixed all together in there. And I've got my flatbread. So guys, with all my ingredients now set up, what I'm just going to be doing there is just seasoning the chicken first, and I'm just going to be throwing in all the ingredients that I've got there. Lemon, grated onion, and also my black pepper, and then just mix everything all together. Now as you can see that I've just marinated my chicken, and what I'm just going to do there now is cover it up and just put it into the fridge for roughly about 2 hours, just for it to well marinated before we start frying. Okay, so now I've just had the chicken taken back out, and I'm just gonna heat up my pan, and we're just gonna start frying the chicken. So remember that I've already put oil when I was marinating the chicken, so you shouldn't need any extra oil. And what we're basically just doing now is just cooking the chicken. I'm just gonna keep turning that chicken until it's well cooked. And excuse my color, the reason why mine looks like that is because of the kind of black pepper that I use. So you can use less black pepper, or it depends on the one you use anyway, will depend on the color that you're gonna get. This is super easy guys. This is one of my go-to meal when I'm too lazy to make any normal food or anything like that. It's super easy as well. Apart from the fact that you've got to marinate a chicken and keep it for a couple of hours, you can literally cook this in like less than 20 minutes. So now that my chicken is well cooked, I'm just going to take all that out of the pan. I don't need that extra sauce. If you want to keep yours, you can do so. But I'm going to be throwing my out, wash out my pan, and then we're going to fry again. So you can see my pan is now clean again. And I'm going to be throwing in a tiny little oil that was left from when I was marinating the chicken. And then I'm just going to do my fry up. So just put in your onion, your peppers, my scotch bonnet and my chili flakes. And then scotch bonnet is obviously optional as well, so you don't have to add that depending on how spicy you want it to be. I just heard a say about Yoruba girls like a lot of chili or spicy food. I never knew that. I just like the spice separately. And when I read that on Instagram the other day, I was literally just laughing. But yeah, I like my spice. I've actually reduced how much spice I eat, but it's getting better. And with all that mixed together, I'm just going to be adding in my liquid seasoning. If you haven't got one of these, you can use the normal cube as well. And make sure you're not cooking your, frying your veg on very high heat. Make sure it's on like a low or medium heat, because you still want them to stay nice and crunchy. And then once the seasoning is gone into the well, as you can see here, so it's not like deep fried, and if you have fried it too much, you would have seen that my onion would have gone brown, but it's still staying the right color. And with this as well, with me using white onion, you can also use red onion if that's what you've got at home. Now I'm just going to be adding in my chicken. So you can see I've still got some sort of liquid there, and I'm still going to squeeze that out. If you've got too much liquid when you're making your wrap, what it'll do then is soak up your wrap and it'll look all saggy and fish. So just make sure you're squeezing in as much water as you can. Make sure you haven't got much liquid in there. Yeah, so with that all mixed together, that's basically fajita ready. And I'm going to be lowering down the heat now. So here we go. How we should look after. So what I'm going to be doing is 7 days in a pizza bread. You can also do it in a wrap, and I'll also show you that as well shortly. So you just open up your pizza bread and just throw in your fajita mix. And I'm just going to be putting in some grated cheese. Try to put the cheese in while it's still hot, just to make sure that your cheese melts. And I'm just going to be putting a tiny bit of the sauce as well. You can do that all the way around. You can put the sauce before the cheese. It's up to you, whichever one you want to do. I'm just going to be showing you how to make this also with a wrap. So like I did say, you could do this all the way around. So I'm putting the sauce first, and then just throw your cheese on top. You can pour as much cheese as you want, and then just firmly wrap that. So voila, there you go. That's your fajita wrap ready. So here you have it, guys. That's all ready. And if you do like this video, please remember to leave a comment below and also give a thumbs up. I'll see you again next time. Bye.